Hi everybody, this is Callie with Jemminz. Oh, break time. There's been a lot going on. Getting ready for the Mermaid Fest this weekend out in Yelm. And I have been kicking butt trying to get stuff made and put together, but we have a major project that we're in the middle of. Let's go take a look. Oh, all right. So as you know, it's moving day. No, we're not leaving out of the house, but I am getting ready to redo my studio. And so all that stuff you just saw, so we're walking down the hall, you can see I've got some of my stuff out here, is coming out of here. And we have quite the mess. So we are getting ready to repaint and brighten this room up. It's very dark in here. This is kind of like a dark rose, and I've been struggling with so much. See, we got the racks in there now. So much trying to figure out what to do with this room. And my husband finally said, hey, I'm going to give you the closet. Here you go. So we put a bunch of stuff in the closet. Nothing's going to stay there permanently. We just have stuff moved out of the way so I can paint. There's my one rack that we emptied out. But all of this stuff, as you can see, stuff's on the floor. We got to get that cleaned up. Messing stuff up as we're moving stuff. And we are getting ready to get all of this stuff out of here. And we're almost there. I got half the room done. But we are redoing my new studio. So I'm really, really excited. And as I was cleaning stuff out, I realized I had so much room. And stuff got so organized because those racks that you see ahead, those racks right there, 2 of them fell over and broke. Well, they didn't break, but they're not sturdy enough. So we put them in the closet and put them back to back. So I still have my racks for drying, which is really nice because they'll get some good air in there, but they're out of the way now. So now I can move my table once we get everything painted against the wall, and I will have all this floor space open to be able to get some actual work done and give myself some extra room. So I'm super excited to get this done. Oh, it's been a chore, but as you can see, I kind of just piled stuff up on shelves right now. I'm going to start with one side of the room and then just work my way around. I probably won't get this whole room painted this afternoon, but we're going to try. But that is the project that we're working on right now, trying to get this room cleaned out and cleaned up and painted and ready for a brand new makeover, which I'm super excited about. So as you can see, everything's in totes out here and in boxes. So we have it just sitting out here. Yeah, I have a whole bunch more still to bring out, but we're super excited about this, or at least I am. This is going to give me a whole brand new studio that's going to allow me to get a whole lot done. We even have stuff in the kitchen too, on the counters, projects that I'm working on, and they're drying in here for the weekend. And it's going to be great. I'm super excited about this. So there you go, a little bit of a day in the life of what I'm going through right now. It's why I just haven't been online doing a whole lot of videotaping and doing other things. We've been trying to get that studio organized. And after the racks fell, it was really heartbreaking because I've had those racks up there now for almost 2 years and I've never had any issue. And for whatever reason, they decided to just fall. And I don't know. Excuse me, my nose is itching. I don't know what happened or why, but I had the studio pretty much cleaned up and ready to go in there. With the exception of the painting, I had decided I wasn't going to paint. I was just going to leave everything up and put it all there. And then the racks fell and I'm like, oh man. So we picked them up. My husband cleaned out that closet for me, and we've got everything now in there is all of my stuff for the studio, and I'm ecstatic. I've been working on it since about 4 o'clock this morning, so it's about 11 o'clock now. So I've been working on it pretty hard, getting everything packed up and ready to go. So that's what's going on. We have a brand new studio coming up. I will try and film as much as possible over the next couple of days. My husband's home from work, so excuse me, my allergies are hitting me. My nose is itching. But we have just been gung-ho this morning trying to get that room cleaned out and get it ready and get things somewhat organized as I'm pulling stuff out and putting everything back together after everything fell. So it's been a big chore, but we are, like I said, I'm super excited to get that back together and get on and get more product made and out. So, and if you haven't been on the website, there's been a lot of changes on there. I have been working on getting the website set up to help teach people how to soap. excuse me, my nose is just itching. It wasn't a minute ago. My nose will start itching as I start filming. Go figure, right? But that's okay. Allergies are hitting me. I just need to go take some medicine and it'll go away. But anyway, so I've been really working really hard. I went to put my Patreon page together and decided to nix that for now. I am going to have it at some point. I'm just not quite sure why or when. I'm so busy with shows and vendor shows right now that I'm doing a lot of selling, not on my website. Well, I'm selling on my website, but a lot of my sales right now are coming from in-person vendor shows, and I'm super excited about that. And I'll try and see if I can film some. I've got one coming up on Saturday, the Mermaid Fest down here in Yelm. I'm super excited about it. Excuse me. And so it's a big deal, and I'll see if I can videotape some of it for you guys and put it up on here so you can see exactly what all we're doing. I'm simply selling. I'm not participating in anything else this time, but they have a big mermaid. We've got, I think, a band's coming and a whole lot of different sellers are going to be there. We've got food. It's a huge festival that we put on here in Yelm, and this is, I think, the 4th year they've done it. I can't remember. It's been a while. But there's a mermaid pageant of many different ages, so people were going to be coming out dressed up as mermaids, and I have a mermaid costume. I'll try and film that for you guys, and it's just going to be a whole lot of fun. So that's what we're doing right now. I have been really focusing just on the business itself, getting ready to open up, like I said, my vendor side and my craft side of my YouTube channel, or not YouTube channel, but my store, so that if you are wanting to learn how to soap, we will have some products on there for that. In fact, there's some stuff already uploaded there. And I've got a really good source for products, so I'm trying to bring in some product that is pretty low for you guys. So if you wanted to craft for yourself at home, or if you wanted to craft for as a business, there's some stuff on there. And I'm going to try and put together some tips and tricks. I'm going to try and put some recipes together for sale up there too, so you'll have some soap and bath bomb and other recipes that will be put together. Just a whole lot of stuff happening right now. A whole lot of projects that I'm trying to get wrapped up and ready to go, and so that's what we've been doing. I have my kitty who had her kittens, and now we're getting ready. She's pregnant again for another litter, and then we're going to supply those kittens to our neighbors for mousers. And then we're going to get her fixed so she won't be having any more kittens. And then we have a new puppy, which we're super excited. So she's a little Texas healer, and she's absolutely beautiful. I'll see if I can put a picture up here of her so you guys can see her. But and Gizmo, my little puppy, a few months ago, I know you guys saw him in the background in some of the videos. He's gotten really, really big. So all in all, our family's grown just a little bit. We lost several animals over the winter, and so we kind of replaced some of them, but not all of them. The farm, we don't have a full working farm anymore. No chickens, no, we're not producing anything. We're just happy to be here in our retirement. So we are just relaxing today. And my husband's off on work this week, so he's kind of helping me out with some projects around the house, getting those done. And I'm working on my studio to get that painted so he can go out and do the stuff that he needs to get done while he's on vacation. But also we're going to go have some fun. So we're going to go see the parade probably tomorrow and celebrate the 4th of July, which I'm super excited about. And I'll see if I can put some video out for that too here so you guys can see what we're doing. And the Roy Yelm McKenna area is just growing and booming, and we're so happy to, be able to help our customers. And also a lot of really, really good news. I actually am getting my soaps into a shop down here. Yay! And I'm also working with a bed and breakfast shop, and they've asked me to make soaps for their customers that come in. So little bed pillow soaps or on the counter soaps, and so I'm working on that with them. They're thinking about exactly what they want, and they'll be contacting me here. So I'm super excited about all the new projects that are coming up. Like I said, business has just been astronomically busy, and I just haven't had a time to breathe. So today, right now, I'm taking a break, and I thought I'd film a little bit and show you guys what all we are doing here at the house. So a lot is going on, as you can see. So progress, I'm going to try and paint this afternoon and get that done, and then I'll show you how probably start putting stuff back in the studio this week. If not, it'll definitely be next week. It's going to be a progress going on. So anyway, so thanks everybody for joining me. I truly appreciate it, and I'll try and get some more show how-to videos up over the next several weeks as we go through our next part of the busiest season. Summer is busy, but we're heading into fall. We're halfway through July already. Well, at the beginning of July, excuse me. And this is my busy time. So I'm out in the not really necessarily in the shop unless I have to replace a product. I'm out at the vendor shows and then just keeping things really busy and filling orders online every chance I get. So if you haven't been on the website, go check it out because I do have some brand new stuff up there, and shampoo bars, conditioner bars, and a few other things. And I know I didn't get any of that videotaped, and I'm really sorry I didn't. I'm going to try and do some videotapes on those here sometime towards the end of the summer. It'll really depend. We have a lot still going on. So when I can get a chance, I'll get some more stuff filmed up for you guys. And I just want to say, hey, shout out to everybody for all the orders and the support you guys have given me over the past 2 years. I truly appreciate you all, and I'm looking forward to what's coming up next. So, all right, you guys, I'm going to say goodbye. Thank you very much, and you all have a great day. And I'll try and film some more if I can. Bye!